Welcome back everyone. This is Moni Singh. Today we are going to learn about thunderstorm. How thunderstorm occurs. As we discussed in the previous episodes that all the kind of wind and storm occurs due to the uneven heating of the earth, due to the difference between the pressure. So this is also thunderstorm also depends upon that only, uneven heating of the air column. Okay, so what is thunderstorm? A violent storm with thunder and lightning. Thunder मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा sound and lightning, that is when during rain sometimes जो lightning होती है, that is lightning. Okay. And there are three conditions are required for thunderstorm. जब कहीं भी thunderstorm होता है तो three conditions should be there, then only thunderstorm occurs. Moisture, that means during that time the air should have lots of moisture content. An unstable air mass, that means sometimes heavy air, sometimes there is like not heavy, matlab light mass of air should be there. And lifting force, something should be there due to the pressure difference that lifts the object. Okay, so this is how all the conditions required for thunderstorm. Now moving to the next one, how actually thunderstorm happens. होता क्या है during thunderstorm? So when there is hot, like during summer, especially during summer, when air column becomes hot, the air above the some part of earth becomes hot, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाता है, and we know that hot air moves up. Why hot air moves up? Because it becomes light in weight, and light weight. When it becomes light in weight, then it moves up towards the upward direction, correct? And after moving to the during that process, when it is moving like towards the upward direction, ऊपर जाके it gets some cold air, इससे कुछ ठंडी हवा भी मिलेगी, and that hot air is having lots of moisture content along with this. Okay, so when it will come in contact with the cold air, so the water vapor, the moisture that is in that which is found in that like hot air, that become condensed, and after condensing it will obviously, condensing means converting into water droplets, so cloud will be formed due to the condensation. कब होगा ये? When hot air while moving upward comes in contact with the cold air, correct? So it will turn into water droplets, cloud will be formed, and we know that water vapor, जब water vapor condense होके will convert into water droplets, so whatever the heat it is having, it will release that heat. Water vapor गर्म है, it is having lots of heat energy, and after condensing जब वो ठंडा होगा तो it will lose that heat energy to its surrounding. So cloud के surrounding में क्या हो जाएगा? Again there will be hot air. So अब air हो गया hot, तो hot air will move again towards the upward direction, ऊपर जाना शुरू होगा. And the cold air which is nearby, जो कि पहले था वो, it will move rush towards the downward direction, pressure difference को fill करने के लिए. अब at the same time जब यहाँ पे hot air ऊपर जा रहा है, cold air नीचे जा रहा है, and cloud is also formed, so that cloud becomes heavy, and due to the heaviness it will fall in the form of precipitation drop by drop. अब जब बारिश होनी शुरू होगी तो obviously it will cool the surrounding air. तो surrounding air जो है इसके, जो cloud के upward direction में air है, और whatever the like air surrounding the cloud, अब जब precipitation शुरू होगा तो that will cool. तो अब क्या हो रहा है? Hot air will go towards the upward direction, cold air will becomes heavy and come towards the downward direction, and it will strike each other. So due to that, the thunder, we can listen thunder, जो आवाज आती है, that is electrical discharge. Why? Due to the collision between the hot air and cold air, cloud और जो cloud के surrounding में cold air है, and जो hot air ऊपर जा रहा है, उन दोनों के टकराने से, that is called thunder. And during that collision, lightning also happens, that is called electrical discharge. अब lightning होती है, so this is thunder and lightning, and and at the same time due to the movement of air, hot air, cold air, so there due to the pressure difference the cold air will rush to fill the empty space, so heavy like high speed wind also it will be created. So same time में क्या क्या हो रहा, what is going on there? Thunder due to the striking of hot and cold air and between clouds as well. Lightning due to the collision between hot air, cold air, or cloud and hot air. Okay, and then one more thing is what? High speed wind. So this is what? Thunderstorm. So how thunderstorm occurs due to the movement of hot air and cold air, and finally cloud formation. So during thunderstorm high speed wind will be there, thunder will be there, lightning will be there. Okay, so the upward movement of hot air and downward movement of cold air leads to stormy wind, heavy rain, thunder and lightning. This is what? This is thunderstorm. Now what hazards can be observed during thunderstorm? It will uproot tree, क्योंकि वहाँ पे pressure difference है, hot air is rising up and cold air will rush to fill the gap. So due to the pressure difference movement of air है, high speed wind है, तो high speed wind will uproot the trees and electrical poles as well. Now heavy rain occurs along with thunder causes flash flood. Sometimes flash flood happens, और फ्लैश फ्लड में क्या होता है, सडनली लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर फॉल्स ऑन द अर्थ एंड इट विल लाइक क्रिएट, जो भी अर्थ का वो पार्ट है वहाँ पे वाटर से भर जाएगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लैश फ्लड. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रिकॉशंस वी शुड टेक ड्यूरिंग थंडरस्टॉर्म? क्या प्रिकॉशन हो सकता है? वी शुड अवॉइड टू गो आउटसाइड फ्रॉम आवर होम. इफ वी आर आउटसाइड, then in that case do not take shelter under long high rise building and tall trees, and do not take shelter under like some kind of garage. At the same time if you are using umbrella then it should not be metallic umbrella नहीं use करना चाहिए. or if really you are observing lightning to quickly sit down and hold your head like this, कुछ इस तरीके से hold करके बैठ जाओ. So this is what, this is how we can protect us from this thunderstorm. Okay, so should sit and head should be okay. So our this topic is completed till like after completion of this topic thunderstorm, I guess this is clear to you. Now look at the screen.